Hey guys, welcome. So if you guys saw my last video about the Bermuda grass, you saw that I'm trying to get it greener. It's not as green as I want it, so we're gonna do more stuff to it. It is June 1st right now. Last video I did a soil test, and then I added humichar, I scalped the lawn, and then I added nitrogen and sulfur, because in my soil results it said to add nitrogen and sulfur. But I got another different bag that we're gonna try today of pure nitrogen and some sulfur, so let's see how that works. And I'm gonna add some milky spore to get rid of grubs, because I think I have some. I like to use milky spore, it's a little more natural. It takes a little longer for the milky spore to kick in. Like the grubs eat it and then they like explode, and then it kills the other grubs. It's a whole thing. It's gross, I don't know, but it's supposed to be more natural. Not natural for them, but it's not like pesticides and chemicals. So anyway, let's do this. Okay, you guys, this is the fertilizer I got. I got it at Lowe's. It's 20.500. So it's all nitrogen, and it has some sulfur in it. So let's do this. I wore my green bandana, get some green grass vibes. My lawn is a little under 1,000 square feet, and the bag said 4 pounds per 1,000. So that's what I'm adding. And I use this scale here, this cute guy, to lift this heavy bag for me, and this handheld spreader to drop it into. Okay, you guys, my husband helped me fill this. Let's see if it works, because last time I tried to use it, it doesn't spin. I put new batteries on, it still doesn't spin. Does anybody else have this problem? Tell me which one to buy. Okay, let's see. Let's do this. It's not working, guys. It seems to work when there's nothing inside, but once I put the fertilizer in, it stops working and spinning. If someone can recommend another one for me. In the meantime, I'm gonna send a letter to this company, see if they can help me out. So now I'm just spreading it by hand. I know this is not accurate or recommended, but sometimes things don't work out as planned, and you know what? That's okay. We have to use what we got, and I got hands. Later you'll see that it's not such a great idea because it leaves spots in the grass from uneven distribution. But if we don't fail, we don't learn, and we can't fail nor succeed if we don't try. I added that nitrogen on June 1st, but prior to that, on May 18th, I added this Dirt Booster Plus, and I ended up adding it the same way because my spreader didn't work, and I just ended up hand spreading it. I also added pure worm castings to my grass because it gives the soil a boost of organic matter and improves my lawn's soil health. Unfortunately, I didn't record this, but I also threw it down by hand. I put these pictures up so you could see the progression since March 31st. Here I got myself a new watering unit. It works wonders, turns the grass greener and makes me giggle all at the same time. Best investment yet. Make sure you like and subscribe so I could keep you posted. Thanks for watching.